Our innovation, your vision. We specialize in taking your needs and turning them into results. Let Young Wisdom Partners take your venue, your house of worship, your place of business to new heights. As you can see behind me, this building is 100 years old, and we're going to be putting 16 by 9, 2.5 millimeter LED walls. So the electrical infrastructure needs to be taken to a place that can handle that. So not only are we going to set up our customers for the now, for the walls, but also for the future in case they need to expand. We're going to take this whole space into new heights. Watch, you're going to love it.